Austin Jacob gets the inbound with a high jumper, no good. Remolasio gets the offensive rebound, plus now coming back to goal. Austin Jacob, the crossover move. Teammate gets his new ball and the layup is good. Gander Fresco inside pass and with a good bumper. Advantage off in the other side. From fake by Austin. Jacob one-hander, no good on the shot. Better against for 24. Gets the foul and no play to go. Joshua Alego, 14 on the shot clock. Joshua cutting the teammate. And rebound goes for Jenny again. Here's Joshua Nino, double team, still releasing the possession. Dynamite pass it back to the goal. Taking his time from the logo. No good. And an offensive rebound coming from. Here is Joshua Nino. The layup.